We are only one of 2 film festivals currently in the United States that do exactly what we are doing, which is showcasing films directed by women. We are a film festival in Bellingham, but we are a film festival based in Bellingham that is an international film festival.
Do you ever have that feeling when you have to make a hard decision or just like do something you really don't want to do but know you should, and it's like all of a sudden you turn into a 4-year-old?
Animation, documentaries, narrative features, it runs the gamut.
I look in the mirror to remind myself that we looked the same, sisters almost, soulmates, born from different choices.
We're looking for films that are exceptional films directed by women.
The water of Ganges is considered pure. Immersing the ashes of the deceased is believed to hasten the remission of their sins.
Bisa setara dengan laki-laki. Apa yang kita harus lakukan? Kita itu sudah setara dengan laki-laki, tidak perlu berupaya.
There are other film festivals that show films that were written by women, starring women, women protagonists, stories about women, but outside of one other film festival, which is located in Portland, we are the only one that specifically is dedicated to showcasing the work by women directors. The fact that this whole area is booming now as a result of that's just one more thing that can happen in the Arts District to bring people into Bellingham. And we have a lot to offer. I mean, as a venue for a film festival, and we have looked at a lot around the country as we have started this. You realize we have accessibility with our airports and our interstate and our trains. We have accommodations. We have a lot of hotels now that could accommodate people coming in, and and we have a beautiful location that people can not only go to movies, they can go sailing, they can go hiking, they can go skiing, they can go kayaking. So there's a lot that can happen besides just coming to the movies. It's the movies plus. Rarely does a day go by that I don't hear from a woman filmmaker somewhere in the world either thanking us for what we are doing. Last year, I was getting thank yous before we had even had the festival, or just saying, we're so happy to see that you're doing this. What can I do to help? It's an extraordinary feeling to know that we are sitting here in this little corner of our world, and people from Japan or Iran or Egypt are saying to us, thank you, thank you.